Transforming test and evaluation to ensure delivery of the world's most advanced warfighting systems at the speed of need. The Director, Operational Test and Evaluation, or DOT&E, is the principal advisor to the Secretary of Defense and the Secretaries of the Military Departments on the operational test and evaluation and live-fire test and evaluation of systems and services acquired via the Defense Acquisition System. Congress requires the independent assessment of the operational effectiveness, suitability, survivability, and where applicable, lethality of DoD weapons and business systems by testing production representative systems used by service members before a decision on full production is made. We assess more than 250 systems throughout DoD at any given time and produce an annual report for Congress. An important requirement of our assessments is that weapon systems are tested in realistic combat conditions with actual users of the systems. We continually work to get involved from the very early stages of a weapon system development, because the earlier a weapon system's deficiencies and vulnerabilities are found, the earlier the opportunity to fix the system. We have 5 critical domains. Each one is managed by a 2-star equivalent deputy director: land and expeditionary warfare, naval warfare, air warfare, net-centric space and missile defense systems, strategic initiatives, policy, and emerging technology. In addition to our critical domains, DOT&E runs these field activities and programs which enhance test and evaluation across our critical domains and support the mission of the DoD. In alignment with the U.S. National Defense Strategy, we created a DOT&E strategy update and a strategy implementation plan. The plan was endorsed by all 3 service secretaries and the Undersecretary of Defense for Acquisition and Sustainment and the Undersecretary of Defense for Research and Engineering. The 5 pillars of the plan enable timely and data-driven evaluation of the operational performance of the joint force and risks to the DoD mission. These pillars enhance test and evaluation capabilities and our tools, methods, processes, and workforce. The 5 pillars are: test the way we fight, accelerate the delivery of weapons that work, improve survivability of DoD in contested environments, pioneer test and evaluation of weapons systems built to change over time, and foster an agile and enduring test and evaluation enterprise workforce. DOT&E's enduring mission is to convey to warfighters with confidence how their equipment will perform as they plan and execute their missions to keep them and our nation safe.